Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Python to read data from multiple files stored in a database using database cursors. We will use the popular database management system SQLite as an example, but the concepts discussed here can be applied to other database systems as well. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. Python. You can download Python from the official website python.org. SQLite database. SQLite is a self-contained, serverless, and zero-configuration database engine. It comes pre-installed with Python, so you don't need to install it separately. In this tutorial, we'll create a simple SQLite database to store information about files. We'll have a table called files with columns for file name and file content. Let's create the database and table. Now, let's write a Python script to read multiple files and insert their content into the database. Now that we have inserted data into the database, let's retrieve it using a cursor. This code will retrieve all files stored in the database and display their file names and content. In this tutorial, we have learned how to use cursors in Python to read multiple files and store them in a database. We have also seen how to query and retrieve data from the database using cursors. This is a fundamental concept in working with databases and can be applied to various database systems beyond SQLite. ChatGPT.